All right, CBS News 24/7, and you're seeing reaction from Donald Trump to that breaking news, the Supreme Court ruling that Donald Trump may claim immunity from criminal prosecution for some of the actions that he took in the final days of his presidency. You know, off the top of this broadcast, we promised you the ruling, the reaction, and the ramifications. So let's dig in a little bit deeper here. CBS News political director Fin Gomez joined us now. Okay, so let's talk about the narrative that will now take shape in our country after this ruling.
Yeah, I think with the Trump campaign, I spoke to some of the advisors on that campaign to the former president, who say that this politically they expect this to help them. They were through the roof with their glee and joy after this ruling that kicks it back to the lower court. For another reason also is that they believe that the likelihood of this going to trial before the convention really becomes pretty small in the prospect that could occur. So frankly, it sort of clears the lane, clears a slate for Trump with a little over 100 days until we get to that November 5th election, and just a couple days, frankly, a few days before the Republican National Convention that gets underway next week in Milwaukee.
You know who I thought of today is Liz Cheney and the people who sat on that January 6th committee. Does anything that came out from the Supreme Court's ruling today, at least in your mind, nullify or at least dilute the work of the January 6th committee, at least in the minds of the public?
I think it does. I think it does have that effect. I think it negates a lot of the points and a lot of essentially what came out of those weeks of intensive focus and coverage on the January 6th events, on that the mob that essentially attacked the Capitol 3 years ago, excuse me. So I think that it does. I think there's a sense that it does. I think politically, we did hear the Biden campaign. They held a press conference call where they went after this ruling, where they went after the sense that this will now set the table for Trump and some of the things that he's campaigned on, including more expansive executive powers under the president and under the White House if he wins in November.
All right. Always great commentary. And hey, the best glasses in broadcasting today. You win the prize. Fin Gomez, CBS News political director. We appreciate you so much. We will wait and see.